What is Gem Lightbox Macro? Capture clarity in a single click. Studio quality, magnified loose stone videos and photos are now possible thanks to the Gem Lightbox Macro. The Gem Lightbox Macro is the newest addition to our one-click jewelry photography solutions. It is a diamond and gemstone lightbox designed to capture magnified images and videos of loose diamonds and gemstones. It captures loose stones from as small as 0.1 carat to 50 carats and comes with a range of features that no jewelers have ever seen in the jewelry industry before. Taking into account the different lighting needs of each stone, Gem Lightbox Macro is meticulously fitted with 4 lighting options: sparkles, white, blue, and yellow light. Each light is carefully calibrated to allow you to produce studio-quality images and videos of loose gems and diamonds with the highest color accuracy and consistency. With our perfect lighting environment and custom adjustable platform, you're assured to capture each stone from its optimal position. The custom platform, which also functions as a turntable, ensures that your camera lens looks right into the center of the stone, where the color is most concentrated. This and more in seconds using just your smartphone. How it works. When we say it's simple, we're not kidding. The Gem Lightbox Macro embodies simplicity in both form and function. Staying true to its plug-and-play concept, there is no setup required. Capture studio-quality images and videos in 3 simple steps. 1. Simply download the Gem Lightbox app and connect via Bluetooth. 2. Position your diamond or gemstone on the platform. Then place your smartphone on the adjustable phone holder and adjust the depth using the knob on the side of the box. Don't forget to adjust the width and height of the phone holder as you desire. Once you have set up the optimal position for your smartphone, you won't have to configure the holder again. 3. Finally, click to capture. Gem Lightbox Macro Components. This one-click solution is made possible by different components built for maximum functionality. Like the Gem Lightbox for jewelry, Gem Lightbox Macro has a reflector cover that functions as its main reflector. As a reflective surface, this component redirects the light towards your diamond or gemstone, providing beautiful reflections. Macro has 4 lighting options created to meet each diamond and gemstone's specific lighting needs: sparkles, a white light, a blue light, and a yellow light. Sparkles is a set of custom LED lights designed to bring out additional sparkles and facets in your gemstones and diamonds. The other lighting options are designed to achieve high color accuracy and produce images and videos that mirror what you see in real life. Macro has its very own built-in macro lens fitted on the reflector cover. This macro lens provides a full 10 times magnification, so you can zoom in on your diamond and capture every single detail, such as inclusions, cut, and color with ease. This macro lens solution is not attainable with standard smartphone cameras. The depth adjuster on the right side of the box and the height adjuster on the left adjust the distance of your diamond or gemstone from the lens. To use it, simply turn the knob in the direction you want. The closer your diamond or gemstone is to the lens, the more focus is set on your stone. These components cater to all gemstone sizes. Position smaller gems closer to the camera and larger ones farther from the camera. The smartphone holder is the first of its kind. It was built with subcomponents like the width and height adjuster to not only keep your phone steady when taking photos and videos, but to also ensure that your smartphone camera faces the macro lens exactly. To align your smartphone camera with the macro lens, adjust the height by moving the height adjuster and turn the knob lock to keep it in place once you find the perfect position for your smartphone. Don't forget to adjust the width and lock it using the width adjuster, so you can easily place your phone on the holder the next time you use it without the need to readjust. This is a great time saver. With these components, the GEM Lightbox Macro offers jewelers a revolutionary video and photography experience in seconds. Furthermore, you can send studio-quality diamond or gemstone videos directly from the GEM Lightbox application to your clients. Results: the value of GEM Lightbox Macro is found in its results and enhanced by our GEM Lightbox app. Our app is compatible with both iOS and Android devices and optimizes your smartphone camera to specifically target cut, color, and clarity. Combined with a custom macro lens with 10 times magnification, the GEM Lightbox Macro is your go-to diamond and gemstone lightbox for guaranteed color accuracy and unmatched consistency. The jeweler's convenience is always our top priority. If you're after convenience and comfort, Macro offers a new level of convenience that we can't wait for you to experience yourself. You'll not only be able to capture videos and photos in record time, you'll also be able to hold your diamond and gemstone inventory on your smartphone, ready to be sent directly to your avid buyers, dealers, and distributors. Remember, time is crucial in sales. The digital world requires you to have whatever your clients need whenever they need it. With Macro, you can travel the world with your inventory on the go. Forget about waiting time. We're speeding up the process even more with our cloud integration service. From Macro straight to your client, your GEM Lightbox app gallery syncs into our cloud systems seamlessly. Using our efficient cloud system, you won't have to deal with the headache of hosting, setting up, and maintaining your own website. Simply capture your gemstone or diamond video using Macro, generate links via the GEM Lightbox app, and send directly to your clients. Our cloud service allows you to elevate your client's viewing experience, including the ability to click and drag across their screen or move the stone around in different directions to see different angles at their own pace. Now that's an immersive visual experience. It's time to pack up your old photography setups. GEM Lightbox Macro has arrived. GEM Lightbox Macro. Studio quality diamond and gemstone videos right at your fingertips.